Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Aiko Palawag Golikoy, lives in Paracelis Mountain Province. I'm 35 years old, born on December 1, 1989. I'm a single mother of 12 years old boy. We have 9 members of the family. We are 5 sisters and 3 brothers. My father works is just a farmer. I have my first experience as a domestic helper in Dammam, Saudi Arabia. My major work is cleaning, ironing, washing dish and washing clothes, and helping my madam's cooking, sometimes car washing. And my second experience is in Dohuk, Kurdistan, Iraq. My major work is cleaning, ironing, dishwashing, washing clothes, and helping my madam's cooking, and sometimes cleaning the pole and car washing. I am a hardworking person, honest and cheerful. And to my future employer, I hope you can trust me, and I promise to love my work as your helper and willing to learn more and willing to follow your instruction. I hope you can trust me, and I hope you can choose me. Thank you, Mom and Sir, and God bless.